Let's learn what a managed channel is, what an unmanaged channel is, and what assets on-chain are. On the Bitcoin mainnet, the assets on-chain are decentralized. Payment incurs a certain gas fee. The confirmation time for the transfer needs to wait for about 10 minutes as Bitcoin transfer. Managed channels can be used directly. It is convenient. It's credited to the account in real time. However, it is more suitable for small-scale payments because it is centralized. Unmanaged channels need to be activated before use. When activating, a certain gas fee is required. Transfers through unmanaged channels are also real-time. The transfer fee is low. They are decentralized as well. Then, let's take a look at the process of opening an unmanaged channel. Click on the unmanaged channel. Click the plus sign to import assets. Then go to the Assets page. Click the plus sign to open a channel. To open a channel, you need to select a peer node at first, also known as a Lightning Network Service Provider or Edge node. You can choose the default node of Bitlong wallet or any third-party node. When opening a channel, assets need to be injected. The assets can be contributed by either of the two counterpart parties, but only by one of them. The outbound capacity represents the maximum initial amount that can be paid, which is funded by the user. Attention! The user must have the corresponding on-chain assets. The inbound capacity represents the maximum initial amount that can be received, which is funded by the counterpart party, who usually charges a certain amount of fee. When opening a Taproot Assets channel, the Bitcoin channel will also be opened simultaneously. Currently, it is default required to inject 100,000 Satoshis. When the user sets the outbound capacity, there must be more than 100,000 Satoshis on the chain, as gas fees also need to be paid. After successful activation, you can see the local balance and remote balance. The local balance and remote balance will change after multiple receipts and payments, but their sum, that is, the total amount, will not change. This is the amount of assets injected when opening the channel. The local balance represents the maximum amount that can still be paid. The remote balance represents the maximum amount that can still be received. Then comes the issuance of invoices, followed by the payment of invoices. If you need to make payment or issue a Bitcoin invoice, you need to operate within the Bitcoin channel.